Hi, welcome to my video review of Yoga Burn, a 12-week fitness system for women that is based on the principles and benefits of yoga. In this video, I will tell you what Yoga Burn is, how it works, what are its pros and cons, and why I recommend it to anyone who wants to lose weight, tone their body, and improve their health and well-being. Yoga Burn is a digital program that you can download or stream online. It consists of 3 phases, each lasting 4 weeks. Each phase has a series of videos that guide you through different yoga poses and sequences that are designed to challenge your body and mind. The program is created by bray-cotton, a certified yoga instructor and personal trainer who has over 10 years of experience in teaching yoga and fitness. She is also the founder of Yoga Burn, a global brand that has helped thousands of women achieve their fitness goals with yoga. Yoga Burn works by using a unique approach called dynamic sequencing. This means that the program adapts to your current level of fitness and progresses as you improve. The program also uses a technique called focused breathing, which helps you to synchronize your breath with your movements and enhance your metabolism and fat-burning potential. The program also incorporates elements of HIIT, high-intensity interval training, resistance training, and cardio to make your workouts more effective and fun. Some of the pros of Yoga Burn are: it is suitable for women of all ages, shapes, sizes, and fitness levels. It is easy to follow and can be done at home or anywhere you have access to a device and an internet connection. It is flexible and allows you to customize your workouts according to your preferences and schedule. It is affordable and comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee if you are not satisfied with the results. It is not only a physical workout, but also a mental and emotional one. It helps you to reduce stress, improve your mood, boost your confidence, and enhance your overall well-being. Some of the cons of Yoga Burn are: it is not a magic pill that will make you lose weight overnight. You still need to follow a healthy diet and lifestyle to see optimal results. It may not be suitable for people who have serious injuries or medical conditions that prevent them from doing yoga or physical exercise. You should always consult your doctor before starting any new fitness program. It may not be compatible with some devices or platforms. You should check the technical requirements before purchasing the program. I recommend Yoga Burn because I have personally tried it and I have seen amazing results in my body and mind. I have lost weight, toned my muscles, improved my posture, increased my flexibility, and enhanced my energy levels. I have also noticed that I'm more relaxed, positive, and happy after doing the program. Yoga Burn has changed my life for the better, and I believe it can do the same for you. If you want to learn more about Yoga Burn or get your own copy of the program, click on the link below this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this review.